low-key in a great mood. I'm going to save the game real quick, you know. Gotta do our little daily save. Hold on. I'm gonna use this one. So when I get on here, all I gotta do is use this one and then, you know, save it from where I'm at. But I just found out that there is no bad ending. So basically what I really found out is that there's no bad ending in the main game, but the DLCs, the add-ons, there's also a connected ending to the main game. So the end of Zoe, I didn't want to end off doing a bad ending because I still see it as a bad ending, even though it's a good ending. But being able to sit there and save Mia over Zoe, given that choice, it's like, dang, now I'm just thinking about Zoe. But if you have the end of Zoe, you can save both, which was a good thing, and I loved it. So I remember this door because I had ran past it, and I was like, I need to go back. So we're finally in here. Oh, I forgot this was in here. A grenade launcher. That's what the grenade bullets was for. I'm not gonna lie, I don't think I need it. Yeah, we're like carrying too much stuff. Yeah, let's go do some inventory management. This door is like just open, and it's dark.
Well, no fucking shit.
So we gotta go through to the boiler room to get into the dissection. Wait, workshop room. I don't. Wait, I probably could have used a pick lock right there. It just saved, I think. I don't know if that was a save or a load. What did I tell you, Grams? You can't be scaring me like that.
Do you want to play hide and seek?
How'd you even get down here? Do you need help getting down the stairs? We here. We here. We here. We low-key here. Did it? Just need a couple more rounds. Please. Wait. About a couple more. About another one. Alright. Just go ahead and wait. This is, yeah, right? His joints are already stiff. Sickly sweet stench. He started rotting already. What am I supposed to do? Prove very romance. Ew, no. Stick my hand? Stick my hand down this pig throat is crazy.
Sorry, buddy.
Wait, so what am I about to pull out? A snake key.
That pretty little thing will help you You're gonna need to join the party we're having over here. You gotta earn your way, Ethan.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Like, I'm so ready. Like, I'm so ready. I'm ready to throw my life away. Bro, open up, bro.
You please do not shoot me! Please, I'll give you $10!
Right here with a combo. This one a little stuck. No worries. Oh, yes worries. Wait, so she's the only one? Man, I'm out. Bro, they better not restart me. The thing about this is I know I'm gonna find like ammo here. So I probably shouldn't have even brung this. Oh, what's up, Grams? Yo, what did I say? Oh, a little puzzle, okay. The same time as all other clocks. Let's really think about this because there are like multiple clocks on this map. 10-3. Okay, just making sure. Mind you, this puzzle is literally not hard at all. But instead of going counterclockwise, I was going clockwise, which is clockwise is to the right and counterclockwise is to the left, which is basically just meaning no clock spins like that. But I had to go counterclockwise and put in 10-3. But the whole time I'm going clockwise because that's how a clock runs. But hey, the game works how it works. Are you serious? I was doing it. I did it right the first time. What am I doing? I didn't like think to press select. I don't know why. I ain't scared. Got 2 shotgun rounds. Bro, I'm ready. Oh.
Oh my god.
What's the point? Like, I swore I heard something. Lord, it scared me. All right, we got one. Where am I? Oh, thank you. We out. Because Snake key room, right? Which is right there. That's why all of this is right here, so something could pop out at me. Right? Or we can be civilized, right? Oh. Okay. Oliver, stop here yelling, but sometimes I hear knocking from above. You're really staying somewhere stripped from the ceiling. Anyways, I heard something. Prophecy again. I'll go shiny at night. I'll read this again. You're really staying somewhere stripped from the ceiling. Whoa! What? Yo, I'm too smart. Too smart. Don't do that. Just wasted a bullet. Some other trophy. Okay. I'm too smart, bro. I'm too smart. By the way, I'm like doing new stuff. So I low-key turned down my... They want me to go back in that room. At the doorway in the main hall. This goes to this. For some reason, I feel like this. It does. I don't know why. Like, something was telling me this does not go here. Wow. This was so easy. Like. This was low-key too easy. Painting named Judgment. Hit the Spider Woman kneeling in front of a mob. Did I just... Depicts. I said despite. Depicts a woman. Go ahead and look at this video. It's gonna be longer than my video. Golly. Put myself on mute, as always.
You, my friend, you are one lucky son of a bitch. You know, I actually envy you. What? You don't believe me? This joy? Well, you can't fake this. It has taken me weeks to finish this, and it is finally ready. And it's all for you. Oh, come on now. Don't be like that. It's gonna be fun. Just you wait.
I didn't even realize like my phone was underneath my mic. Hopefully it didn't pick it up because I did turn down my mic. That low key got me a little bit. Rick's toilet. If y'all remember that episode, The King of Toilets. I don't think it was called The King of Toilets. Whoa!
Closing the game, I'd really like to make it out of this room alive and not die a horrible, painful death. I know, it's a temp title. Take a candle, light it, and put it on the cake. And remember to smile. This party is for you.
Yeah, I like realized like this is a death trap. There's no point of using that here. Yeah, I could have burnt it. But when I go through here, water is like... Alright, cool. Cool. Wait, why would I do that? Oh, that's what I need for the water. Okay. So let's see what happens if I... Okay, I know I can burn a rope, because it's a rope. How you know I love balloons? Hold on. I understand now. We put that right there, but I want to wait. We do have this screen, but I'm not sure for what yet. Is he done? Why would he ever just stand there in front of it? That doesn't fit. What about this? Oh. What is it missing? A finger? Yes. Where's your finger? Probably in the lock.
Oh, fucking disgusting. Ugh.
This is the only time I dig my hand in a bunch of feces. Dirty telescope. So I find it crazy how they had this guy Ethan putting that telescope to his eye with all that dookie on it, giving him pink eye. But what I want to say is my game glitched out. I don't know how, I don't know why, but I had later on searched up a video and I found out that I was supposed to see through the telescope and look at the television and it would give me a passcode. But I end up just going off the video, trusting the video and typing in the same passcode, and it luckily worked. So yeah. I hate this guy, bro. He put that one as what I had it before and then just left it right there. I thought that was the right answer. What the ew? Turn this up his butt. Straw doll. From that, do we, still can't interact with that. That wouldn't go to anything. Wait. Figured. Well, I ain't figured there was a finger in there, but shoot. Let's go ahead and keep this lit. I'm not sure if I'm going to need the video again, but I have it just in case. I don't want to use it to my advantage. I just want to use it to... Well, I just had to use it to figure out that part. Let's, I never got the pen. Oh, because I never used the balloon. This guy's like so retarded. Let me not use that word. It's just so dumb. Wrong way. Like, where am I going? Go in. Give it a little twist. A little twist turn.
What the fuck is this? What are you doing? No.
Ain't no way, bro. mean, I'm pretty sure I saw him draw it on my arm. Wow. Hey, it looks cool. Like a little decent tattoo. But, let's go ahead and type that in here. Bruh. I'm like playing, I'm playing darts on the side. Oh my god, I'm about to lose. Yo. My friend is like too good at darts. Like, she's not even my friend. She's just some person I met randomly. And all we do is play iMessage games.
Happy birthday to you.
Stop. Oh, okay.
Happy birthday.
I won your challenge. Now let me. That candle was way bigger in my hand. What is up with him just standing there and waiting? Why is he so calm? Are you serious? This is insane. I've never, like, this type of torture is like low-key, like ridiculous. Like, it's crazy. Wait, turn that on. I think, yo, I killed myself. I feel like I could have got a different ending.
Oh.
Wow.
Happy birthday!
Zombie spawning right there. But either way.
Hey, buddy. Remember, those 2 key cards will get you into the party. Don't be late now.
Let me talk to Mia.
No. You gotta show up first. You haven't forgotten where the party is, have you? You can get in from the courtyard. So come on, man. Everybody's waiting for you.
What is he doing out here? Should we give him a name? It's like a pet at this point. I was ready to say, close my trailer door, bro. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. He could have low-key took that out and took it. I was mad. Alright, we getting close to the end of the video. Shoot. I'm ready for it to be the end of the video. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm like so ready. We're not gonna rush it, but we are gonna like really go through this.
Ethan, hold on. I got some for you. Looky what I've got. You know what this is for? You know what Zoe wants to do with this?
Ooh, she thinks this thing is special. No, Ethan. That ain't special. This right here is special. You see, Ethan? Not everybody wants to turn back the clock. What? Oh, Evelyn! I'm just trying to show him. Not everybody wants to go back to how things were. Those are stupid bitch. She doesn't understand that I don't want to go back to how things were before my father found y'all. Not everybody wants to turn back the clock. So Ethan, Ethan, you can crawl around underneath that filthy, rotten house all you want looking for them ingredients, but you ain't gonna find a goddamn thing, Ethan. You'll need that serum? Ooh, baby. You're gonna have to come through me. You hear? Now, come on, Ethan. What do you say?
Fuck!
Ready? Not like I have the code.
I know. Fucking password, right? Why don't you try 0814? No! 0621. No, it's 0514. Oh, come on. Take a chance. You never know. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Heads up!
Yeah, I died. It's crazy because I was just talking about how stupid it was for that guy to stand there, and I stood there and died. A huge open rectangle, and I missed it. How? Oh Lord. Should I risk it for the biscuit? Oof, I'm so glad I'm smart. Wow.
What the fuck? No!
Are you coming from there? Like, when, where, why, how? Why? Hold on. Had to go relieve myself. I can't. I'm trying so hard to just like block it out. I'm so glad that had no effect on me. The crazy part is they're not hard to spot. Like, just die, bro. Bro, don't think I forgot about you. Where you at? I think you forgot about me. What's those lights for? Oh, nice. I'm low-key going to end it here. We did a lot. This is going to be like one of those videos where we make progress. Okay, because this was a lot. Like, even the stuff I did off camera, like, the video would not be this, I'm going to say short, because it is a long video, but the longer I would have played, the longer the video would have been. Like, oh my goodness, I'm so glad we're here. I really hope the video's like good. I'm gonna watch over it, cause I'm not worried about the audio and stuff. I can play around with the audio, you know, like I did in the what's it called video, my Walking Dead videos. The game audio was louder than my voice, but hey, I still worked with it. But hope you enjoyed. I'll catch you in the next video.